Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best keychain beads is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your everyday carry, offering a unique way to personalize your keys, bags, or even zippers with a touch of personality and flair, making them not just functional items but also miniature works of art that reflect your individual taste and creativity. And with the sheer variety available, from intricate designs to simple, elegant charms, finding the perfect set to match your aesthetic has never been easier, transforming the mundane into something truly special and eye-catching. Number 5. Made by Me Bead Pets by Horizon Group USA. Get ready to create adorable bead pets. This kit is packed with everything you need to bring your imagination to life. You'll find over 640 colorful pony beads, perfect for designing unique and personalized keychains. Let your creativity shine with a rainbow of options. Follow along with 10 different project guides to make cute animals, or design your very own custom creations. The possibilities are endless. Easily attach your finished bead pets to backpacks, lunchboxes, or keys with the included durable metal key rings and clips. Take your creations anywhere. The included storage case is more than just a container, it's your portable beading workstation. Keep everything organized and ready for your next crafting session. This comprehensive kit contains all the beads, rings, clips, cords, and instructions you'll need to start creating right away. Just open the box and begin. What we like. This kit offers a vast quantity of beads for endless creativity. It allows you to craft multiple distinct animal designs. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with a dedicated storage solution, this is an excellent choice for young crafters. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them. The colors are vibrant and the designs are intricate. They are perfect for making custom keychains and jewelry. Number 4. 2600 plus PCS 18 color rainbow pony beads kit. Spark your imagination with over 2,600 colorful beads in 18 vibrant shades. These are perfect for inspiring creativity and developing practical skills. Create stunning necklaces, bracelets, keychains, and more with this versatile kit. The assorted colors are ideal for all your DIY jewelry and craft projects. This comprehensive set includes more than 2,600 beads in 18 rainbow colors, plus 3 rolls of elastic string. Everything is neatly organized in a clear storage box for your convenience. Craft with confidence using our durable, non-toxic beads featuring smooth surfaces. Designed for users aged 6 and up, adult supervision is recommended. We are committed to providing an exceptional shopping experience. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, please reach out to us. What we like. You get an enormous amount of beads in a wide spectrum of colors. This set comes with the necessary string to start making jewelry immediately. If you need a massive quantity of beads for various projects like bracelets and necklaces, this bulk option is perfect for you. What people say. The beads are smooth and well polished, making them pleasant to touch and easy to string. The variety of colors and shapes in the set allows for creative and personalized designs. These beads are durable and hold their color well, even with frequent use. Number 3. ASTARON 15mm silicone beads for crafts. Introducing our premium silicone beads, perfect for all your crafting needs. These beads are safe, environmentally friendly, and easy to clean, ensuring a great crafting experience. Available in a variety of attractive colors including dusty pink, light pink, black, cream, and leopard print. These carefully selected colors will add a touch of elegance to your creations. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these beads are built to last. They are resistant to wear and fading, and can be easily washed with soap and water if they get dirty. Each bead measures 15 mm in diameter, making them ideal for a wide range of craft projects. You'll receive 100 beads in total, with 20 pieces of each color. These versatile beads are perfect for making necklaces, bracelets, earrings, keychains, phone straps, and more. Get creative and make unique gifts or decorations. While these beads are safe and durable, please note they are not suitable for children under 3 years old. Enjoy crafting with peace of mind. What we like. This provides a good number of high-quality silicone beads in attractive color combinations. They are built to last and easy to maintain. If you prioritize durability and a sophisticated aesthetic for your keychains or pens, these are the beads to consider. What people say. The beads are of good quality and have a nice finish. The variety of colors and shapes is great for crafting. They are easy to string and work well for making bracelets. Number 2. BronaGrand Ball Bead Chains. Introducing our high-quality ball bead chains, perfect for your crafting and organizational needs. They are designed for longevity and ease of use. You'll receive a generous pack of 150 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for multiple projects. Never run out when you need them most. Each chain measures 100 mm in length, offering a versatile size for various applications. This convenient length is ideal for keychains and tags. With a 2.4 mm diameter, these chains provide a sturdy yet flexible connection. They are robust enough to hold your items securely. These connector clasps are perfect for creating keychains, attaching tags, or organizing small items. Their simple design makes them incredibly versatile. Easily create secure key rings with these reliable bead chains. They offer a dependable way to keep your keys and tags together. What we like. This product offers a substantial quantity of long bead connector chains. The dimensions are clearly specified for easy integration into projects. If you are specifically looking for extended bead chains to connect items or create unique jewelry pieces, this is a great option. What people say. The beads are smooth and well polished, making them pleasant to touch and handle. The variety of colors and shapes in the set allows for creative and diverse designs. Each bead has a pre-drilled hole that is consistently sized, making stringing them easy and efficient. Number 1. BIHRTC Beaded Bangle Keychain Bracelet. Introducing a chic accessory that blends fashion with everyday convenience. This versatile piece is designed to keep your essentials close at hand. Adorned with elegant beads, this bracelet adds a touch of sophistication to your look. It's the perfect complement to any outfit. The comfortable wristlet design allows for easy carrying, freeing up your hands. Never misplace your keys again with this practical holder. Crafted with durable silicone and sturdy chain accents, it's built to last. This ensures your keys are securely attached wherever you go. Designed with. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful and functional keychain bracelet is sure to impress. It's a gift that combines elegance with everyday utility. What we like. This offers a fashionable and practical way to carry your keys. The beaded design adds a touch of style while the wristlet ensures it stays secure. If you often find yourself needing to keep your hands free or want a stylish accessory for your keys, this beaded bangle is ideal. What people say. The beads are smooth and well-made, perfect for crafting. The variety of colors and shapes is impressive, offering many creative possibilities. These beads are durable and hold their color well, even with frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.